Hello everyone, today I'm going to share some basic quilling rolls and shapes that you can easily make. So first one is tight coil. We have taken this strip and we are going to secure it with glue, and this tight coil is done. Our next shape is tapered roll. For this, firstly we are going to make a tight coil, secure it with glue, and then using a pencil we're going to insert it, and our tapered roll is ready. Our third shape is grape roll. Firstly we're going to make a tight coil, secure, and then we are going to take our pinky finger to make the shape of the grape, and our grape roll is also ready. Now to make a loose coil, firstly we are going to roll the strip. We are not going to secure it. We are going to use this tool and secure it with glue then, like this. Our loose coil is also ready. And our fifth shape is teardrop. We have taken this strip, again we have made a loose coil and we have pinched it from one side. Now we are going to make curved teardrop type 1. We are going to make a loose coil, then a teardrop shape, and from one side we are going to curve it. Like this. Using tweezer we are going to curve it. Our seventh shape is curved teardrop type 2. Like this. Firstly we have made this loose coil. We are going to take this tweezer, pinch it from one side, and then we are going to just pinch it more, like this. Our eighth shape is curved teardrop type 3. We have made this teardrop shape and we are going to curve it like this. Marquise eye, we are going to curve this and pinch it on both the sides. Then marquise eye shape is also done. Then there's the slug shape. We have taken this teardrop and pinch it from both the sides together. 11th is crescent. We have taken this loose coil. We have simply pinched from two sides, and this crescent is also done. Now for the square, we have made this loose coil. Firstly we are going to make a teardrop, then going to take another side of it, and this square shape is also ready. Then is our ring coil. We have taken this tool. We are rolling the strip on this, secure the end with Fevicol, and our loose coil is also ready. Then is our half circle. We are going to just pinch it from both the sides, and our half circle is also ready. Then is our triangle. We have made this loose coil. We are going to pinch it from three sides, and our triangle shape is also done. Then is the diamond shape. We are going to keep it in a more slanting way, not a square, and this is the diamond shape also. Then is the curved square. We are going to take this. Firstly we have made this square like this. Now we are going to make our arrow. Make a loose coil first, then take this tool and pinch it from both the sides, and then pinch from another side also. like this. Our arrow shape is also done. Then is our duck foot or tulip shape. Make a loose coil and simply pinch it from 3 sides. After making a half circle, pinch from 3 sides and the tulip shape is also done. Now we are going to make a heart. Take this loose coil, pinch it from one side using this tool and then pinch from another side like this. Our heart shape is also done. Then is our dome shape. We have taken this mold. We can simply make the dome after making a tight coil, and this one is also done. Our next shape is star shape. We are going to pinch the loose coil from 5 sides like this. And our star shape is also done. Now to make a bent circle, we have taken this cap of a bottle. We are going to roll the strip all over it like this and secure the end with Fevicol. Now we are going to insert a loose coil inside it, and then we are going to make this bent circle like this. Secure the end with glue, and this one is also done. Now for the last shape, we have taken a loose coil. We are going to pinch it firstly in a curve shape like this and then pinch from 4 sides like this. So our rectangle shape is also done. Now we move to the scrolls. So today in this video I am going to share total 11 scrolls that you can make. Firstly, we are going to make this asymmetric V scroll. So we have taken the strip and make it into half. We are going to roll it from one side till the half and from the other side also till the half. So our asymmetric V scroll is done. Now we move to the second one, same side scroll. Again fold the strip into half like this and keep rolling the strip. And on the same side only we are going to roll the strip. Now for the third one, we are going to make loose scroll. We are going to just roll it and leave the strip like this only. Our loose scroll is also done. Then for the C scroll, we have taken this and we are going to roll the strip from both the directions, and our C scroll is also done. Now for the heart scroll, we have folded the strip into half. We are going to just take this and roll it till both the ends meet like this, and the heart shape is also done. Then for the S scroll, we are going to just roll the strip from opposite sides like this. Our S scroll is also done. Now for the V scroll, we have already folded the strip. We are going to just fold it and roll it on both the directions, and this one is also done. Now for the 8th one, that is the uneven V scroll, we are firstly going to make a V scroll, and then the length of both the scroll should be more and less like this. Do not fold the strip into half because we want the uneven shape of the V scroll like this. Now we are going to make multiple scrolls. We are going to take this strip roll it, and we're going to attach all of these together to make the multiple scrolls. Attach these using Fevicol, and this one is done. Now for the musical tone, we are going to roll the strip like this, and we're going to just stick it. Now for the closed V scroll, we are going to just simply make a V scroll and secure the sides with Fevicol. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.